Well, hey friend, Dave McDonald here, back with you today. Another great day here at Quarantoons, drawing cartoons with me. I hope you're enjoying this. You know, I'm having fun, just as much fun, if not more fun, than you are as well. Again, this is a nice way to pass some time and use our creativity, maybe share our cartoon drawings with our friends and our family. Of course, we're not getting outside of the house now. We're just sharing them with people in our own homes. But today, let's see, I need to get warmed up, don't I? Every day I need to warm up. Here's my little warm-up sheet for today. Go ahead and grab your pencil and maybe start to warm up with me. I always like to draw circles and ovals and squiggly lines just to get warmed up. And I like to take this opportunity also to do some shout outs to some friends, maybe some family every once in a while, people that I know in schools, people that send me their drawings. Today, Miss Rowland's class, she's a third grade teacher, Miss Rowland. Hey, Miss Rowland, over there at Westview. She's got a student named Jackson, and I've met Jackson, and his dream is to become a cartoonist. And I think that's a great goal. And you should see Jackson's work. He's actually fantastic. Third grade artist. And I'm telling you, I saw his picture of his Corona monster that we drew back a few days back. It was fantastic. You should have seen it. It's Jackson, you keep up the good work. Pretty soon you're going to be doing these teaching videos, and I'll be learning from you. That's how that's going to happen. So Jackson, thanks for watching. Keep drawing, my friend. Miss Rowland, thank you for sharing that with me. And then today I want to also shout out another school that I've been doing some teaching at, cartoons and comics, and that is Cane Bay Elementary. They've got a great school. I've worked there several times teaching comics to the fourth grade team, headed by the wonderful Miss Wilborn. Hey, Miss Wilborn, hope you're doing well. Principal, Miss LaBerge. Hey, Miss LaBerge, I hope you're doing great as well. I know you're staying busy trying to keep on top of all this e-learning. My art teacher friend over there, Miss Prothrow, I hope you're well and staying busy during this pretty crazy time. But Cane Bay Elementary, in fact, Cane Bay, their mascot for their school, get this, it's a cobra. A cobra. Wow. That's kind of different. I don't think I've ever been to another school where it's a cobra. And today I thought we'd draw a cobra. Now, me, I'm kind of frightened of snakes, to be quite honest. But we won't draw a scary snake today. We're going to draw a silly snake, a silly cobra. Okay? So I hope you have your pencil ready and maybe an ink pen off to the side. We'll get that going too. So for this cobra, let's see. Start with kind of an oval shape in the middle of the page. An oval shape. Right? And that will become the head of the character. Kind of an oval shape. And then he's got these big goofy eyeballs that are oval shapes. Now you see this eye in the front, but you only see a little bit of this other one on the other side of the head. So an oval here and just a curved line that kind of connects these two shapes like that, okay? Oval, oval, curved line. That's where we're starting, all right? Cobra, now this will be his snout. He's got kind of nostrils here. And I don't think they smell. Maybe they smell with their nostrils. I've been told that they kind of smell through their tongue when they stick their tongue out. That's how they know that some food is coming, right? Now this cobras have a hood, what they call a hood on them. It kind of sticks out to the side. I thought it would be more fun, instead of drawing the hood of the cobra, to put him in a hoodie. He's going to be wearing a hoodie instead. So let's see. I'm just going to kind of pencil that shape out as if he's wearing a hooded sweatshirt. Okay. Maybe bring this down to the side. Like that. Meets underneath his chin there with the little strings. Okay, Okay, that's kind of roughed out shape, wearing the hood. Now his body, okay, his body is here, but let's make the rest of that hoodie. He's actually wearing it, and it's got put the pockets in the front. A snake wearing a hoodie. Makes me laugh. Okay, and then let's see, his body would come down out of that. And let's pretend, and he's got his belly like that. Let's pretend, now, when I think of cobras, I think of India and the snake charmers. Have you heard of those? There's a snake in a wicker basket, and they blow these little flutes or reed instruments, and they lure the snake to come out of the basket. It kind of hypnotizes them, and they do a little dance. And so I thought we'd put this cobra instead of living in a wicker basket, he's going to live in a laundry basket. And maybe he got a sock stuck to he's all wrapped up in a sock. Let's make this look like a sock. Maybe here, right on the end, there's a heel of the sock. All right. Again, let's see, back here behind him, maybe we'll draw that laundry basket where he lives. And to do that, we'll just, a little plastic laundry basket. It's just based on a rectangle shape with a real thin rectangle at the top, and then put these little squares on the side. You know how they're kind of open? And then you can put some laundry kind of hanging off. Maybe there's a dirty sock. It doesn't smell so good. Maybe this is dirty laundry, right? There's a laundry basket in the background. Draw his little pupils here. Now this snake, before we start inking him, he's going to be eating his favorite food, which in this case is spaghetti. So put a little oval down here to make a plate. And we'll do this. Just make some squiggly lines that goes around, round and around and around. Make a plate of spaghetti. Look, that's all that is. And maybe put a ball here. What would that be? What do you think that is? A ball on a plate of spaghetti. That's right, a meatball. So this character loves spaghetti. Okay? So let's start to ink or finish off our drawing here. So again, I'm just kind of covering up the pencil lines with my ink pen. All right. Again, cobras in real life, I don't think I would ever get very close to. I'm not very fond of snakes. But in this case, again, he's a silly snake who likes to eat spaghetti. So this is my kind of snake. Okay, so maybe inside his hood it's a little dark there. Create the little ties. The rest of his hoodie with the pockets. Wonder what he keeps in his pockets. And how does he get things out of there? I don't know. What would a snake keep in his pocket? Keys? Does he drive? A little sock. With the little lines that come down maybe. And some shadowing beneath this character. Maybe he's kind of scooching towards the plate of spaghetti some motion lines. Maybe a shadow underneath the hooded sweatshirt on his body. See how that makes it look a little bit dimensional there? That's kind of fun. Okay, he's slurping his spaghetti. Do you slurp your spaghetti? Do you cut it up before you eat it? Or do you roll it around on a spoon? I always get in trouble because I cut up my spaghetti into short little tiny bites. But people always say that's not how you're supposed to eat it, Mr. McDonald. You're supposed to roll it around on a spoon. But that is messy, and I don't like to be a messy eater. But that's just me. Okay, so let's see here. A meatball. A circle, but it's kind of bumpy, right? Bumpy with a little curved line in there. Maybe some cross hatching at the bottom for some shadow or shading. Draw that plate. Maybe some motion lines here. And a sound effect word. Remember onomatopoeia? You know what onomatopoeia is, right? Words that are spelled like they sound. Slurp. So, let's see. Slurp. Onomatopoeia. Slurp. Let's get that laundry basket going over here. That's just, again, this rectangle with a dirty sock, of course, hanging out of it. Finish the rectangle there. A pair of pants in there. This is just a rectangle with rounded corners. And a little ventilation so that everybody in the house can smell those dirty socks that you put in there. Little shadow underneath there. Give it some dimension. All right, let's see, is this coming along good? How's yours looking? Does your snake look friendly or menacing? Maybe you took an opportunity to create a menacing snake. So now instead of the hood of the Cobra, he's wearing a hoodie. And has much friendlier, big bright eyes, right? He's munching on his favorite food. And maybe he's saying something up here. Let's see, I'll get my little pen. He's going to be saying, I love Sketty. Maybe that's how he talks, right? I love Paschetti. Put a little word balloon around this, right? I love Paschetti. There he is. Fun little character. Someone's got to get to this laundry. Hey, I remember I said that you probably could help out around the house during this time. One way is maybe you could offer to help with the laundry, right? Or maybe you can help after dinner cleaning up the dishes. Or maybe you can do the chore that I had to do when I was your age, and that was vacuuming. I had to vacuum the house. That was my chore. All right? Go ahead and erase these pencil lines. Clean it all up. And now he's not so scary. See, if I had to draw a real Cobra, I might have been scared. Not a big fan. But this kind I can take. He looks silly. He likes Paschetti, just like me. Maybe you as well. And there he is. Our fun little Cobra character. I hope you had fun drawing yours. It was a lot of fun for me. All right, my friend, be well, stay safe, take care of one another. Until next time.